124 million children wish for food. We can see that almost 6 million infants passing away. We can see that only 1,000 children dying every day from malnutrition. And 1/3 of the world gets mud bottles down the throat. अफलास की बस्ती में जरा जाकर तो देखो, अफलास की बस्ती में जरा जाकर तो देखो, वहाँ बच्चे होते हैं मगर बचपना नहीं होता. How can you ignore the Lamborghinis drifting across the silent pool in red? How many times have scolded a kid for touching your car window? Do they not deserve the parent that doesn't even matter for you? Are we simply burning down our freedom into reckless ashes? No dear, we aren't blind. Let us speak. मेरी गुर्बत उड़ाती है मेरे फन का ही मजाक, मेरी गुर्बत उड़ाती है मेरे फन का ही मजाक, तेरी दौलत देते हैं छुपा रखेंगे. 800,000 teens suiciding just because the society is them out, just because they weren't able to earn, just because they had everything but money. Who is responsible? We aren't blind, we aren't babies, so let us speak. कत्ल करते ही फौरन मजम्मत करना, कत्ल करते ही फौरन मुजावरत करना, अब यजीदों ने सीखी सियासत करना. We want to work for 1,000 opinions that magically is also a book. We see the hungry mothers slaughtering their crying babies to save them from the cruel world. Are we not aware of the people dragging in business as vehicles, living the lives of luxury? I will end it with the words. क्या हाल सियासत ने दिया अहले वतन को, क्या हाल सियासत ने दिया अहले वतन को, कशकोल को हाथों में लिए सोच रहा हूँ. Thank you.